Informed Household Basic Subscription Feature Set. Before we get started, please review this important presentation disclosure. Okay, so what do basic informed household subscribers get? Well, you get a set of personalized financials that we're going to be analyzing a lot of your savings and spending behavior. We can try to identify the biggest kind of opportunities and threats to get you to the point where you can fund your future lifestyle. Part of that is by identifying major risk factors. You can share and collaborate your results with any trusted person, and we have heaps of ongoing education to help you along the way. The first item all informed household subscribers get is what we call the dashboard application or the dashboard report. And for the basic subscribers, it consists of the lifestyle balance sheet portion and the household funding profile. Here's what they look like. So on the left here is a sample lifestyle balance sheet, which summarizes the 30,000 foot view of where you are now, what you have on the asset side, what you have on the liability side. We're going to give you a funded ratio reading, or as it's called in this version, the Am I OK Financially ratio. Then on the right side, we're going to look at your current funding profile. So for this household, they are currently what we call an insanely hopeful profile, and that's primarily because the bulk of their assets are in financial capital, and then the bulk of their future expenses are on the essential living expense side. So all along your journey on the website, you're going to see learn more buttons and links and everywhere, and you click on them, and most of the time you're going to come to more videos that will help you along the way. There's also PDFs and other links to articles as well. All subscribers get access to our FAQs, frequently asked questions. Actually, we call it the knowledge or the knowledge wall. You'll see a menu item for knowledge. And from there you can click in to get additional resources. We also have a nice infographic PDF that lays out all the terminology, and like I said earlier, a lot of video tutorials. Some of those are available on the general website, others are just for subscribers, and those tend to have very specific answers to very specific questions. The basic subscriber can share their dashboard report simply by cutting and pasting the URL that is written. So every time you run a scenario, it creates a new mini web page, if you want to think of it that, with its own unique URL. You can cut and paste that URL and email it to a trusted friend, and they'll see exactly what you're seeing. We do monthly webinars on Zoom. We talk about any issues you might have, questions. I also love the opportunity to analyze existing client dashboards, and we can do that anonymously. If you look on the left here, where we just display the percentages and not the absolute dollar values, and hide the full names just with initials. And it's always better working with live data, and it will make what I believe is much more informative and relevant feedback. In addition to the model and the scenarios, we also have all subscribers get their own what we call a mobile planner, which is a Google Sheet that has various tabs in it with different types of example extra calculations for doing additional valuations or spending histories, and those are all available to our basic subscribers. To generate those wonderful dashboard reports, you have to go through the scenario tab once you have a log on, and once you log in, you'll see something that looks like this. It's two parts. The top portion is a summary from your last scenario, looking at your total household savings and expenses and your current funded ratio. And then the bottom part is where you enter your model scenario assumptions, and you can run another scenario and run that as often as you like. And remember, each time you do it, it'll generate a new dashboard report. With your basic subscription, we do give you a 30-day free trial. So the way that gets started is at the point that you fill out the online form and submit it, then we'll turn around and we will get you a user ID, basically an account on our website. We'll also give you information, let you enter in your credit card data and get you all set up and ready to go. And at the point that we see that there's valid credit card data in the system, then we'll turn on the app. You'll be free to use it for 30 days. If you like it, don't do anything. If you don't like it, you can log back in and just cancel out your subscription, within 30 days and you won't be charged. So in summary, the Informed Household is a cloud-based subscription service. It's a balance sheet format primarily, and that makes it very intuitive and easy to use. We gather and inventory all your current household savings. Then we look at all your future living expenses, and we try to categorize all them and differentiate between what's essential and what's discretionary or lifestyle based. And then the nice thing is, what makes this balance sheet a little different is it's forward looking. We're gonna look primarily on the liability. This is true for the assets, but primarily on the liability side. We're out in the future, and we're bringing them back into where you are now, so you can do budgeting. And so you can think of it as basically a lifestyle funding fitness tracker, and we hope it will stay with you throughout your funding journey into your future lifestyle. If you're interested in additional information on the Informed Household, here's some additional video options. These are all what we call quick definition videos. We try to do them in 60 seconds or less. These are on the Knowledge tab, but they're also sprinkled out throughout the website. They will provide more information, but please feel free to click around on any part of the website. Here's our contact information. Please feel to reach out for any questions or anything, and we'll respond as soon as we can. And thank you for your interest.